Hello, my friend. How are you? Last class we started talking about a boat full of cats. In this class we continue the story. Listen carefully and then answer the questions in front of your screen. It all began in 1966 with a stray cat, her kittens, and a kind woman named Henriette. Henriette heard a cat crying on a rainy night outside her house. She opened the door and saw a wet mother cat trying to protect her kittens from the rain. Henriette felt so sorry for the poor animals that she let them live with her. Soon another stray cat joined them, and then more. Henriette quickly became known as the cat lady. Before long, the cats filled Henriette's house. Then they filled her garden. And cats kept coming. What could she do with them all? She saw the answer to her problem floating on the canal. A houseboat. People could live in houseboats, so why couldn't cats? In 1968, Henriette bought her first cat boat. Now, pause the video and answer the questions. How was the first situation of Henriette and a cat? What happened? Was the first cat alone? What was the solution for Henriette's problem? Answer these questions, share this video with your friends, like this video, go on our website and complete the exercises. Thank you very much. I'm Sophia and I see you next class. In 1968, Henriette bought her first cat boat.